often asked if I feel safe going into strangers' homes to organize their spaces. And I've gotten questions from new professional organizers wondering how they can feel more comfortable going into homes of people they don't know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pre-screen your clients so you feel safe meeting with them in person and to get warm leads from people within your network so that you are not working with strangers. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. There are 3 techniques I use so I feel comfortable going into homes of people that I am meeting for the first time. The first method I use is to pre-screen my new clients. I want to find a lot of information about them before I knock on their door. It also gives me time to get to know my potential client and determine if we are going to be a good fit. And it also gives me time to listen to their story and pick up on anything that seems out of the ordinary or triggers a red flag. You always want to listen to your intuition. The majority of people who contact me are absolutely lovely, and we do end up working together. However, I've seen a number of red flags over the years, mainly in the area of marketing scams via email. Typically, these people don't even want to discuss their organizing project with me over the phone, which of course is an indicator that they are not a legit client. I have 2 forms that I use for pre-screening. One is my client intake form, which allows me to make notes about my client's home life during the initial phone consultation. The other is my client questionnaire. Both of these forms are available in 2 of my classes, Introduction to Professional Organizing and Essential Forms for Professional Organizers. And I'll put those links in the description of this video. But here are the highlights. First, you want to ask open-ended questions. This allows you to get to know them better and will trip up anyone who is working off a script or who has an agenda other than having their home organized. I like to ask getting to know you questions, like how long have you lived in your home, or do you share the space with anyone else? Project questions, like what rooms are the most cluttered, or what areas of your home frustrate you the most? Marketing questions, like how did you hear about my business? Questions to determine if someone has a chronic problem with disorganization, like do you remember a time when you were organized? And questions that may indicate hoarding, like does clutter inhibit the use of any rooms in your home? In addition to pre-screening questions, you can find your client on social media sites like LinkedIn and Google the address to confirm that the home meets the description of what the person told you over the phone. My next strategy is for you to not work with strangers at all and instead get leads from people that you already know. A common example of this is to ask for and receive referrals from existing clients. When you are working with friends or family members of an existing client, you're not going to feel like these people are strangers to you. Now, one way to get referrals is simply to ask your clients, do you know of someone who could benefit from using my services? Or by saying, I really enjoyed helping you transition your space. Do you have friends who are in a similar situation to you who may also benefit from this type of service? You can also offer your clients some financial benefit to refer clients to you. I offer a gift certificate towards future services to my existing clients once they refer a paying client to me. You can remind your clients of this offer through handwritten letters or follow-up emails. It's a win-win for both of you. A second way to get warm referrals so that you are not working with complete strangers is to get referrals from your network or colleagues. This is when a related business like a hauling service or a closet design company refers you to a client with whom they are already doing business. The business referral source can vouch for that client, let you know that they're on the up and up, and that they could be a great client for you as well. One way I built my business so quickly in the beginning was to offer my organizing services in addition to other professional organizers that were providing a service. So let me explain. I really enjoy organizing paper and information. I can help people with larger filing systems or organizing information in a digital system. However, there are some organizers who just aren't interested in offering that type of service. They would rather stage spaces or organize closets. So I connected with other organizers at networking events, and we talked about the type of work we enjoy doing. Two experienced professionals who had been working in the industry much longer than me referred their clients to me so that I could organize their paper and digital systems. Now, this was a win-win for everyone because the referring professional organizer was able to offer all the services that their client needed, even if there were particular services that they did not enjoy or were not an expert in providing. And of course, I did not feel like I was working with a stranger because the client was already engaged in business with my colleague. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how you can get warm leads so that you are not working with complete strangers, or how to pre-screen your clients so that you feel comfortable when you're meeting someone for the first time. I teach a complete lecture on personal safety in my Introduction to Professional Organizing course, and you'll find a link to that course in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.